Hey, hi, welcome back. Today, we're gonna tackle bag 9. Bag 9. We are so close to being done with this typewriter. I can taste it. We got 3 bags to go. I'm gonna bust them out, get these videos done, and put this little typewriter debacle behind me. Move on to the next thing. What that is, I don't know yet, but I'll figure that out and I'll let you know. Also, I'm kind of feeling a giveaway coming up soon, so gonna try to come up with ideas for that. I've done 2 giveaways so far. They've been awesome. I gave away the moving truck. I gave away the Indiana Jones set. And not entirely sure what I want to do next, but I'm gonna give something away soon. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's get into what the build for bag 9 looks like. Alright guys, well that sums it up for bag 9. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Looking forward to getting through this typewriter. Next time, I'm actually moving this here office somewhere else. So I had my older boy move out of the house because he turned 18. And we did some switching of the rooms. So now I'm going to have a dedicated space for my Lego. So stay tuned for that. I'll do maybe, I'll get it all set up and I'll show you guys what I have working with. But yeah, if you want to chat, as always, hit me up. I'll leave links and I look forward to seeing you next time. Peace.